Hi, John Banks, Honda Cambridge Motorcycles here. Just a quick walk around video of this Royal Enfield that we've just taken in part exchange. This is the Interceptor 650 with the orange tank, twin exhausts, really good condition. It's a 2023 model bike. Only done about 1,200 miles, had its first service, and is all here ready to go at John Banks Honda Cambridge. Bike's in really good condition, as you'd expect from the age and the mileage. Really nice looking bike. They ride really well, these do. Nice and easy to ride, and have a lovely sound to go with them as well. Comes with 2 keys, the owner's manual and service book, 1,228 miles on the clock. So there we go, just arrived, ready to go. If you are interested, please give us a call here at John Banks Honda Cambridge Motorcycles. We'll be happy to get you booked in to come and view and buy this lovely Royal Enfield. Thanks for watching.